Welcome to unit testing. I've got Valentino up on blocks here, and I'm checking how the distance sensor and wheel rotation relate. Check all that's working well. The right hand wheel here is connected to the left hand distance sensor, and I'm going to put my hand in front of it, change the distance, and see what happens. Let's fire it up. All right, you can see that both wheels are rotating forward. If I put my hand here, the right hand wheel slows down. Eventually stops and backs up. Yeah, no, it's working as expected.